Do you often feel like no matter how much AI you learn, you still don't know how to build your own system? Do you worry that your resume is getting rejected because you don't have practical AI skills? Don't worry, you have arrived at the right place at the right time. This course is part of our AI literacy specialization where we start from the very foundations and gradually increase the difficulty to make you confident and skilled in AI. Right now we are in the second course of the series where the focus is on building real projects. So I've divided the course into three parts: traditional, generative and agentic AI, and each section is packed with hands-on end-to-end use cases that will truly make your resume stand out. So let's take a look at what's inside the syllabus. At the beginning of each section, we will first discuss the tech stack, which forms the building block of any AI system architecture. In the traditional AI section, we will work through 5 different real-world use cases, each representing a different type of AI problem. So we'll start with credit card default prediction, where we will be using supervised learning and focus on classification task. Then we will move to housing price prediction, where we will be using supervised learning. Here the focus is on regression task. Then we will look at customer segmentation for online retail using unsupervised learning, basically doing the segmentation. And then we will do the resume to job description matcher using natural language processing techniques. And finally, we will build a car type detector from images using computer vision. Then we move to generative AI section. As with the previous module, we will begin by exploring the tech stack and see how it differs from the traditional AI tech stack. Next, we will dive into one of the hottest and the most in-demand skills today, which is prompt engineering. You will learn how to turn a startup product idea into a working prototype under 15 minutes using popular no-code GenAI tools. We will then take the same idea and implement it using a custom API-based solution, which is perfect for developers who want more control and more customization. Finally, we will revisit the resume to job description matcher use case, and this time we will rebuild it using RAG, which is retrieval augmented generation, upgrading the earlier NLP version into a smarter context-aware generative AI system. Finally, we move on to Agentic AI section. As always, we'll begin by discussing the tech stack and break down the core components of an Agentic AI framework. We will then introduce you to vibe coding, a fast emerging and highly in-demand skill that lets you build AI applications in a more intuitive and a more collaborative way. After that, we will create our very own AI-powered new summarizer using different no-code tools like ChatGPT, Custom GPT Builder, Replit and N8N. We will also revisit a very familiar use case, which is credit default prediction, but this time we will rebuild it using Cursor as a pair programmer. So you will see firsthand how much time and effort it saves compared to coding everything from scratch. In total, this course covers 12 powerful use cases that will not only give you hands-on experience with building AI systems, but also makes your resume shine. So along with these 12 projects, you will also get exposure to 50 plus AI libraries and frameworks, 30 plus GenAI tools, 20 plus agentic AI tools, and 100 plus ready-to-use prompt templates, which will help you automate your everyday tasks and boost your productivity. Remember, every 1 hour you dedicate to learning AI can give you back 3 to 4 hours in saved time. So what are you waiting for? See you in the course.